Hi, welcome to Tool Spec. So every mechanic needs a magnetic tool pickup for if you drop hardware into tight spaces or you drop your tools. So Olsa tool has made a pickup magnet here that is flexible, and there's actually a little LED light at the end here if you're twisting it. So like that you can see what you're trying to pick up. So let's test it and see how good it is. First, let's put the hardware at the end of this tube. Now let's see if we can go get it with our magnet. There we go. It's actually not magnetic on the side. Only the face of it is magnetic. When you're trying to go into tight spaces, you're not sticking all over the place. Now let's see if we can pick up this tool that's on the floor. Yep, no problem. If you're wondering what kind of battery goes into this light, you can just unscrew it. There's a spring in there, don't drop that. And then inside here, you're going to have a holder with 3 batteries. And those batteries are LR44. The positive of the battery goes in first, and then you're going to have the holder like this, and then you just screw it back in. Let me know in the comment below, do you guys already have a pickup tool with a light at the end like this to help you see what you're trying to pick up? Anyway, give me a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.